in space is called the Cartesian coordinate system. Now, this graph paper that we see on screen is completely invisible when we draft. We won't see this as we draw, but it is there. It is going on in the background, and AutoCAD uses this system to organize our geometry. AutoCAD uses the Cartesian coordinate system to identify all locations in space. Now, AutoCAD uses a fancy name for locations in space. AutoCAD uses the word coordinates. AutoCAD references coordinates using the format x, y. Now take a look at the area where the x and y axis intersect. That intersection has a coordinate value of 0, 0, because each of the axes is intersecting at the 0 location. Now the intersection of the x and y axis also has a name. It's called the origin. All AutoCAD coordinates are measured from the origin. For instance, I'm going to bring some points up on screen. We'll see how this works. If I was to bring up a location right here, this guy has a coordinate value of 4, 2. That's because he's 4 units in the positive x direction, and he's 2 units in the y direction. It's kind of like playing Battleship. Let me bring up another point. Let's look at this guy. This guy has a coordinate value of 3, 9, because he's 3 over in the x, and he's 9 up in the y. Let's pop up another one. What about this coordinate? This guy has a value of -6, 4. He's -6 in the x direction, and he's 4 in the y direction. Last one. We'll bring up one down here. This guy has a coordinate value of -5, -7. He's -5 in the x, and he's -7 in the y.